If you're thinking about coating your flat roof trailer yourself, but have zero experience, here's the real deal on choosing the right roof coating product without breaking the bank. Alright, so first off, cleaning that roof with a power washer is a smart move. Getting rid of dirt, old debris, and any loose material helps the coating stick better. Before you slap on any product, seriously inspect the entire surface for cracks, blisters, or damaged spots. Since you mentioned leaks and water damage near the bathroom vent, start by sealing those areas with a quality roof sealant designed for flat roofs. Something like Henry 208R rubberized wet patch roof cement is a popular go-to because it's flexible and waterproof. Now, when it comes to coatings, elastomeric is definitely the budget-friendly option and can be pretty decent if you're okay with reapplying every few years. It's great for reflecting sunlight and keeping things cool, but doesn't last as long as silicone. Silicone coatings are more expensive up front but last longer, resist ponding water better, and are super durable, though yeah, some people say they can be tricky to apply or messy, but if you prep correctly, it's manageable. Another option you might want to check out is acrylic coatings. They're kind of a middle ground price-wise and perform well in moderate climates, but aren't as waterproof as silicone. Don't forget to calculate coverage rates carefully. You're working with about 900 square feet, so buy a bit extra to cover edges and overlap. And one last tip, apply coatings when the weather's dry and temperatures are between 50 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit to get the best cure and adhesion. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with flat roof coatings is skipping that thorough inspection step before sealing, which just ends up letting leaks sneak back in. Another common slip-up is not cleaning the roof properly. If dirt or old coating flakes remain, your new layer won't bond well and will peel off faster. Lastly, a lot of DIYers underestimate how important weather conditions are during application. Applying a coating in super cold or humid weather can mess with drying time and performance big time. Just take your time prepping and pick the right product for your climate and budget to avoid these issues. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome resource if you want to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about roof coatings or flat roof repairs. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself or looking to connect with homeowners needing work done, that site makes hooking up super easy and reliable.